am Joanne Butler. Well, September kicked off self-improvement season, and I have 3 things right now you need to know about to help you look and feel your best. Well, by now, I'm sure you know about the benefits of a cleanse or a detox, right? Which basically rejuvenates your body and kickstarts weight loss. Well, the latest plan that everyone is just buzzing about, like Jen Aniston and Gwyneth Paltrow, is called Prolon. It's a scientifically backed, plant-based 5-day program that actually mimics fasting, so a faux fast, if you will. It's called that because you actually get to eat real food. That's the best part. And it just resets your body and your health and helps you feel lighter and energized and just, feel great from the inside out. And most people lose, on average, 5 pounds in 5 days. And it just comes in this beautiful box. And inside, there's a box for each of the 5 days filled with everything you need each day. So supplements, yummy soups, kale crackers, nut bars, olives, everything's just delicious. I just started it and it's just really yummy. So definitely check out prolonfast.com, and it's only $199 for 5 days, which is a really good price point. Now, next up, a lot of people forget about lip care, especially as the weather gets cooler. We think about, skincare and everything, but we sometimes forget about our lips. So definitely important to give your lips some love. I'm absolutely loving this regimen from See Me by Massage Envy. There's a lip scrub, a mask, and a balm to exfoliate, smooth, and really deeply hydrate your lips. Just loving these because they're made with all good things too, like brown sugar, shea butter, avocado, and coconut oils. And you get these in store at Massage Envy. So check out massageenvy.com to find one near you. And beginning October 4th through the end of December, they're hosting a buy 2, get 1 free on all See Me by Massage Envy products for members and guests. And also get a massage. I really believe that's essential, for living your best life. I firmly believe in massages. Now, last but not least, Kindra. Now, this is a modern wellness brand for people who are experiencing the challenges of peri to post-menopause. So disrupted sleep, brain fog, hot flashes, vaginal dryness. These are supplements and lotion that are plant-powered, science-backed, estrogen-free, with a mission really to empower you to care for your bodies naturally, safely, and holistically, because they're made with all good things like coconut, safflower, sunflower oils. And it's really developed a cult following, actually, the vaginal lotion in particular, a cult favorite and serious essential if you're going through menopause. So definitely check out ourkindred.com. They have a lot of great info on their website too. And there you have it, my 3 must-have essentials for living your best fall self.